Alright, this is going to be a really simple video. I'm just going to show you how this STIHL BR 800X works with a decent amount of leaves. Ethanol free. Alright, before starting it, I always give it 5 pushes here. Priming the engine. I think that was 6. That took 1 pull. Alright, well that was a quick little video, but yeah, my 2-year review on this thing, I'm actually really happy with the purchase. Do I wish I would have got the one where the pull part is the cord's on the front, or I think it's on the side, so you don't have to take it off? Not really, I don't care that much for that. This thing's super powerful, easy to use. I love that you can easily lock it in place here. The trigger's right here, everything's right there for you. You can lock it with this little part here. Let me show you. Locks right here on this hook to this hook right here. So you can store it nicely away. What else can I tell you about this thing? Super powerful. I had the Echo as well. I can't remember the exact brand or the exact model, but it was their top Echo blower. And that thing was super heavy, super powerful, super loud. And I just, I don't know. I like this one a little bit better. More compact, still powerful. Maybe not as powerful as the Echo, but definitely I'm not upset with the purchase. So yeah, if you're interested, this is the STIHL BR 800X. I'll leave a link to my Amazon store for this if you'd like to purchase. Yes, I do receive a small commission, but that's all part of the fun, right? So anyways, STIHL BR 800X Magnum Edition. This is my 2-year review. I highly recommend it, and yeah, so thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment. What type of blower do you use? Are you into the STIHL? Are you into the Echo? What do you use? But yeah, thanks for watching, and we will catch you all at the next one. Crazy hair day.